Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can delete custom ringtone from VIVO phone. So firstly you gotta go into settings, sound and vibration, then tap at the SIM card you would like to remove the custom ringtone from, and just set one of the default ones. Then if you would like to completely delete the audio file that contains your custom ringtone, you will need to open the file manager, then find the saved file, which will probably be at the audio category. Here are my custom ringtones. Then you gotta select them like so, tap at the delete option, delete. Then I think you might actually go even further and open the recently deleted files as well. Yep, recycle bin, and remove them forever. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.